To join different text strings, cell values, and results returned by other functions, you can use the ampersand operator. We have first name in A2 and last name in B2. To get the full name, join the values A2 and B2 equal to A2 ampersand B2. When you join cells with the text using this formula, there is no space between the first and last names. To insert a space or another character, you can include a text string enclosed in quotes in the formula. To join the values in A2 and B2 separated with a space, use the formula A2 ampersand double quotes space and ampersand B2. Join the values in A1 and B1 separated with comma and a space using the formula. Sometimes you may need to separate the values with a line break. A common example is merging mailing addresses from data in separate columns. You can use the char function with 10 as its argument to create a line break. For example, join values in columns A through F by using the concatenation operator ampersand. Use the formula displayed on the screen. The merged values are separated with space and a line break char 10. When using line breaks to separate the joined values, you must have the wrap text option enabled for the result to display correctly. To do this, in the Home tab, in the Cells group, click on Format and select Format Cells. Select the Alignment tab and check the Wrap Text box. You can combine cells to join a text string with a number from another cell. In this example, text will be added to the days. Type the formula with the text inside double quotes. For example, due in ampersand A10 ampersand days. To separate the text strings from the numbers, end or begin the text string with a space. When you combine the text with a date, the date will appear as a number without formatting. Equal to today is ampersand today function. To combine a text string with a formatted date, use the Excel text function to format the date. Text value format text. The first argument is a number or date to be converted to text or a reference to the cell containing the value. Second argument, enter the desired format using the codes that the text function can understand. For example, to format today's date as mmddyy, use the function displayed on the screen. Let us look at a few more examples. Format the date in A2 as mmddyy, use the formula displayed on the screen. Format the number in A3 as currency, use the formula displayed on the screen. Format the number in A4 as percentage, use the formula displayed on the screen. Format the number in A5 as fraction, use the formula displayed on the screen. If you like this video, please subscribe to our channel.